tonight. It used to be the last-minute shopping rush we would be talking about tonight, but now the rush is on to get COVID tested ahead of Christmas.
Yeah, a lot of people doing this. Testing sites all over town have been busy all day. Let's get to Sean Lay, who's out there checking on it tonight. And you've been to multiple locations today, Sean.
All over town. And here's the deal. We're not seeing the lines like we're seeing in other cities, those massive lines, people lining up to get a COVID test. Here's the deal. We're seeing few lines, some lines, but very few lines because COVID tests are available, being given all across Metro Detroit. Testing, if you want some tomorrow on Christmas Eve, absolutely extended hours in some places. People we're speaking with today getting tested, being very cautious leading into Christmas.
My husband tested positive, but we have been tested negative, but we're here today just to make sure that we're okay.
Our cameras are here at All God's People Church in Roseville. People in line waiting to get a COVID-19 test. It's vital to many leading up to Christmas Eve and the rest of the holidays.
I'm going to see the family on Christmas Day, and I've had a little sniffle, and I'm hoping that I'm okay.
This site is just one of dozens upon dozens of local testing sites all over the state, and even pop-up sites. A list and map of all of them is on michigan.gov/coronavirus. We put all of these sites also on clickondetroit.com. We also check with Wayne County Garden City Hospital, has testing tomorrow and all of next week. Same thing at Sheldon School in Canton. We know finding a test at your local drugstore is a challenge right now. Still, check out Meier's Do I Need a COVID-19 Test.com. Register, pick a Meijer location, search for an appointment, hit the pharmacy drive-through. You'll be handed a nose swab kit and results in an hour or two. The message from healthcare experts on why this is important.
If you want to test, there's no reason how you shouldn't be able to find one.
Exactly. There may be a wait because of the additional people that are coming, but yes, there are testing sites all over the city of Detroit. And the city itself is committed to the well-being of our citizens, which is why we are going to operate all 5 days of this week and all 5 days next week.
All right, back here live. I want to say it again. We put on clickondetroit.com the list of testing sites, not only in Metro Detroit, but statewide, plus pop-up sites. You might be surprised just how many area sites are testing right now and testing tomorrow as well as next week. Also, big focus still on vaccinations, including next week, the city of Detroit putting together a new program, a new vaccination clinic for kids, rolling out a red carpet, bringing in Spider-Man, and when kids get the jab, they'll get a certificate saying you are a superhero. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, and I'm just wondering, Sean, a lot of people's go-to is the urgent care. How were they looking today?
Steady. Very, very steady in places. And again, the focus on vaccinations, but urgent cares are providing testing as well. As a matter of fact, we're here in Oakland County. They're saying urgent cares and providers are doing tests when people want them. And it's very different from people going into a CVS looking for a test. You can go to these places and get tested.
Right, yeah. Just you might have to wait a while, but a lot of good info there. Thanks, Sean. And if you're looking to get a COVID test before Christmas, the Click on Detroit crew is making it really easy with a complete list of testing sites across the region and links to sign up for appointments. Sean talked about this a little bit. You can find that link right on our homepage.